Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to unrestricted someone on Messenger. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Messenger app. Then choose on someone. Okay, tap on menu option, click on settings, tap on privacy and safety, then restricted accounts, then no restricted account, then add, then choose someone, then restricted this account, then add, that's all, then back, then click restricted account, then this person someone restricted, then click and unrestricted, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.